As of July 8, 2024, Toyota issued a TSB, or Technical Service Bulletin, for the Tacomas equipped with a manual transmission, TSB 0058-24. For those who may not be aware, a TSB is pretty much a resolution or a known fix for a particular issue you may come across. As a technician, instead of wasting your time trying to figure out the customer complaint, the manufacturer will most likely, in this case Toyota, will issue out a TSB. Unfortunately, the only reason it's a TSB in the first place is because it's an issue that's being reported at a high rate. It's not limited to Toyota. Every manufacturer has their own TSBs as well. Now in the letter, Toyota states some 2024 model year Tacoma vehicles equipped with a RC60F manual transmission may exhibit a condition where the vehicle is unable to shift into second, fourth, and/or sixth gear, but is able to shift into all other gears. Now, further inspection shows signs of cracking from the floor shift control shift lever retainer subassembly housing. To address this condition, the manual transmission assembly needs to be replaced. It also states that the bulletin applies to vehicles produced before certain production change effective VINs shown below, meaning this TSB will not apply to all the 2024 Tacomas out there equipped with a manual transmission, instead only a few that was produced before a certain time period. Your local Toyota dealer can tell you if this TSB applies to your 24 Tacoma equipped with a manual transmission based on your VIN number. The TSB also mentioned this repair is covered under the Toyota powertrain warranty. This warranty is in effect for 60 months or 60,000 miles, whichever occurs first, from the vehicle's in-service date. But there was something I noticed that caught my attention. Part numbers didn't change. The previous part number was a 33030-04080, and the new part number is also 33030-04080. Now this is the part where sometimes Toyota would know something and not necessarily disclose it. I don't think Toyota would take one bad part and replace it with the same known bad part just for it to fail again and have an angry customer. But in that TSB letter, the part numbers are exactly the same. But I like to give people the benefit of the doubt, especially when I don't have all the facts. All I see in this case is that the same part number is used. What I don't know is what the engineers know behind the scenes. And that's why, as a Toyota tech, I don't make assumptions when it comes to recalls and repair procedures. What the engineers put out and request me to do, I do according to the repair procedure. I'm not an engineer, I'm a technician. So in the repair procedure, it wants us to first confirm the condition exists. Obvious enough. Does the vehicle exhibit a condition where the vehicle is unable to shift into second, fourth, and/or sixth gear, but is able to shift into all other gears? And from there, if the answer is yes, we have to remove the transmission and remove the floor shift control shift lever retainer subassembly, right, which is this piece right here. And once we remove it, we have to inspect the floor shift control shift lever retainer subassembly for the cracking condition. And from there, we proceed with the replacement of the manual transmission if we find it. Now, I haven't seen one in the shop where I'm at yet experiencing this issue. I just wanted to make this video to let the public know that Toyota did issue out a TSB for this concern of being unable to shift to second, fourth, and sixth gear. Now, with all these issues floating around the web regarding Toyota and their quality, transmission this, engine that, would I buy a Toyota today? The answer to that question is absolutely. I don't know how else to say it, but knowing what I know about the car industry and manufacturers, if I'm going to have to rely on a car that gets me from A to B, it's going to be a Toyota or Lexus. I'm sorry. That's all I got for you guys today regarding this matter. Any future updates I receive, I will be sure to update you guys as well. I want to thank you guys for watching and supporting the channel, and hit the subscribe button if you're not already a subscriber. Until next time, and again, thanks for watching.